in the middle of a giant storm. What is happening?
Max, help me!
Hang on, I'll save you.
Every morning in Happy Wheel Town, big trucks and tiny cars drove together happily.
Wow, the roads are so busy today.
Haha, stay close, little buddy.
Okay, Max. Oh no, where did Max go?
Tico suddenly got lost in the crowded streets.
I don't like this road.
The little car became scared and lonely.
Help! I can't move!
The muddy road trapped poor Tico.
Ugh, come on!
Huh? Was that Tico calling for help? Max immediately turned around. Don't worry, little buddy. I'm coming. The giant truck rushed fearlessly through the storm.
Hold tight! I trust you, Max!
You saved me.
That's what friends do. Stop! The bridge is broken!
Whoa! You protected me again!
Together, they found a safer road home.
I'm not scared anymore.
Hooray for Max and Tico!
Best friend forever!
Haha, always together.
True friends help each other, no matter how big or small they are.